how to identify a hydraulic hose. Here's some tips and tricks and some surefire ways of getting your hose properly identified. The ID, the inside of the hose, knowing what size your hose is. That's what we're going for. All right, first step is to find your ley line. If you don't know what a ley line is, you're about to find out. You got an old hose. I don't know if you see this. This is a ley line. It has words and specifications and your hose ID. It tells you the pressure, tells you all kinds of stuff. Manufacturer. I don't know if you can see this. Here we go. Look at that. Alright. So, R15. Alright. So we got 1.25 inch, 6,000 pound hose. What else we got? Got some numbers. R15, 4SH, meets and exceeds. These are all your safety numbers. Your MSHA, NOSHA, and ISO numbers. All that happy stuff. So, by looking at this, we know it's an 1.25 inch hose. Okay? Let's say this old hose, you got a ley line that says nothing. It won't tell you anything. You know, it's burnt off or whatever. You know, it's rubbed off. You can't see it. No ley line. Okay, no ley line. Ask customer or boss or whatever. Can I cut into the hose? Cut into the hose. Get your caliper. Calipers, use the top side, inside diameter. Measures the inside of the hose. Okay? We're in America, so we're going to try standard. You'll cut the hose in half, measure the inside of the hose. 1.25 is equal to 1.25 inches. Alright? And we're not going to cut the hose off or in half. You know, let's cut the hose in half. Give me a second. Alright, so we cut the hose. Get your inside measurement. Find your center. 1.25. I don't know, can you see that? There you get. Alright, 1.25 inches. 1.25. Okay? Say you're not allowed. Alright? You're not allowed to cut the hose. A little trick I like to use, and this is kind of your last resort if you don't know, you know, if you can't cut the hose, you don't know what size to order, you don't know what pressure, you're gonna have to meet or exceed your hose. So what I like to do, measure or figure out your ends, okay? Go with your smallest end. So say you have 1.5 inch pipe on one side, 1.25 inch pipe on the other side. make your hose 1.25 inches. You know, find your common. If they're both 1.25 inch flanges, like these are 1.25 inch flanges, your hose is automatically 1.25 inch. Say you got 1.5 inch flange on one side, 1.25 inch on the other side, make it 1.25 inch. You know, if same with 16s, if you got 1.25 inch on one side, 16 on the other, make it a 16. I mean, you're gonna restrict your flow already, and you don't know, so go ahead and make your hose the smallest size. Say you got 16 here and an 1.5 inch here. Okay, a 1 inch here, 1.5 inch here. Split the difference, man. Get your 1.25 inch right there. Your dash 20. But yeah, that's it, man. You know, read your ley line. Don't have a ley line, cut it in half. Can't cut it in half. Find your ends and get your common number. Whatever's the center, equal flow, or whatever the smallest end is. You know, just if you don't have a double jump. If you got a double jump, center. If the ends are the same, use the same ends. But yeah, that's it. If you got any questions, go ahead and comment below.